are just employees of an office there whose subsidy comes from the pocket of the member states. And you do not have that authority to be, you strut around as if you're also a sovereign idiot. Sabi ko sa inyo, bugo kayo, go back to school. You have not learned, you are there, United Nations, you do not know diplomacy, you do not know how to behave, to be an employee of the United Nations. You do not talk to me like that, you son of a bitch. Magkapasa ng mabits lang sa akin ang Pilipino kung hindi ako nagtatrabaho. So, good that I remembered. Send that copy to him. Tell him if he wants to come here today, sampalin kita, yawa ka.